Hello there! Are you looking to enhance your ChatGPT experience and achieve more precise results? Do you ever find yourself struggling to craft the right questions or prompts? Spending too much time thinking about the best words or phrasing? I've been there too, feeling like I wasn't tapping into its full potential. So, I dive into research, read books, watch numerous videos, and discovered that ChatGPT has learned from a massive dataset. It's highly advanced and powerful, state of the art, and it's indeed a super smart computer right at your fingertips. However, it won't work unless you enter the right prompts. My name is Paul, a former IT service desk analyst, course creator, and entrepreneur. I've had the privilege of teaching over 60,000 students to over 100 countries, and welcome to this new course. ChatGPT Prompts Mastery, an all-in-one comprehensive guide that's like having 20 courses bundled into one. In this course, you will learn how to master ChatGPT prompts and unlock its full potential. By choosing the right phrases and words, you'll guide ChatGPT to deliver precise responses exactly as you envision. And here's the real game changer. You'll gain access to over 50,000 ChatGPT prompts that you can download, and it's well crafted and ready to use, tailored to so many industries. No more starting from scratch. Save time and focus on unleashing your creativity. Say goodbye to those intimidating blank pages. Simply copy and paste the prompts you prefer to create and boost your productivity instantly. By the end of this course, you'll understand the basics of ChatGPT without feeling overwhelmed by complex AI technologies. You'll efficiently create ChatGPT prompts, generating engaging content for learning, writing, research, jobs, coding, content creation, social media, digital marketing, SEO, and much more. You'll learn how to set smart goals, take action step by step, boost productivity without feeling stressed or tired, and get things done faster and more efficiently. You'll generate real-time, up-to-date content using Bing AI, powered by GPT-4, and create stunning AI photos using Bing Image Generator powered by DALL-E, with hundreds of ready-made prompts ready for download. Learn how to access these Bing AI tools for free. Learn to troubleshoot and fix issues, stay updated with AI trends, and receive proper guidance. This course is specially designed for students, teachers, content creators, writers, digital marketers, entrepreneurs, or any professional seeking for a simple explanation to master ChatGPT prompts without feeling lost or unsure about where to begin. It's for anyone looking to save time without struggling to come up with fresh and engaging ideas each time. No special skills required, just your willingness to learn. When you're ready, enroll now and I'll see you inside the course.